Good evening, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint Forecast Center as the winter storm with a little bit of everything continues, both heavy snow, sleet, and rain. Of course, you can see the raindrops hitting the camera lens now in downtown Providence. This rain has been heavy. Storm drains are clogged, so now getting reports of some street flooding as well. Foggy, windy, very windy, rainy down at Newport. The temperatures really come up. It's changed over to rain now at 39 degrees down at the campus at URI. After several inches of wet, slushy snow, it's gone up to 38 degrees, and the wind started to pick up as well. A high wind advisory remains in effect. Taking a look at Doppler radar now, you can see the rain moving to the north areas of green. The blue, which is snow and sleet, starting to see reports now, and even in northern Rhode Island, where they've picked up anywhere from, we've seen reports of 6 to almost 10 inches of snow in the northern part of the state, now getting reports of sleet and rain mixing in there. The high wind advisory in effect through 7 o'clock this evening. Actually 7 o'clock this evening, getting gusts to 20, 30 miles per hour sustained, and actually up to 45 miles per hour in some gusts. So the strong winds, especially on the coastline, will continue. These are the wind gusts within the last hour, gusting close to 40 miles per hour right now along the south shore and just offshore. Wind gusts not quite as strong inland, and these wind speeds will continue to increase throughout the late afternoon and early evening hours. You can see all the precipitation working in, initially starting off as that very heavy wet snow, then going over to, as expected, to sleet and some rain. Area of low pressure now just to our south will track north and east. See the backside of the storm, this band of snow? Some of this is going to try to swing through late at night. So even though we'll have rain this evening and tonight, very late at night, well after midnight, as the storm pulls away, we get into some of this cooler and colder air, and we'll see some backlash snow late tonight, probably after midnight. It could actually pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches on the backside of it, especially up in our northern suburbs as temperatures get cooler. Futurecast shows this very well. Starting off late this afternoon, you see the rain to our south in areas of green and yellow, and what's left of the heavy wet snow in northern Rhode Island changing over to sleet and rain as well. This evening we'll get into a bit of a lull as far as the rain intensity, but still damp and at least showers, drizzle, and fog. Another round of showers and rain coming through at around 11 o'clock this evening, but notice the snow just to our north and west as the colder air swings through very late at night. This is around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. A band of snow coming through may coat the ground to up to 2 inches of additional snow on top of what has fallen already. And then by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, clouds giving way to partly sunny skies. It'll be a windy and drier day, but there may be some issues even for the early morning commute. Despite the storm moving away, whatever slush and water is left will certainly hamper travel during the early morning hours of Friday. Take a look at the wind gusts forecast. These are not temperatures, but rather wind gusts. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and look at some of these gusts. 55 to even 60 miles per hour just offshore and across the islands, and even late tonight around 9 o'clock, still looking at gusts anywhere from, say, 40 miles per hour inland and close to 50 out on Block Island. As the storm continues to pull away, still some gusty wind, though not as strong by Friday morning. We're gusting at around 35 miles per hour out of the north and northwest, and the wind speeds will continue to be rather brisk and active even into Friday afternoon. So the wind advisory could actually get extended into Friday morning and Friday afternoon, so stay tuned. As far as snowfall accumulations, a lot of this has happened already, and if you haven't measured the snow now, the rain is packing it down and washing it down. 1 to 3 inches of slush to the south, 3 to 6 inland, including the Providence metro area, and 6 to 12 in our northwestern suburbs. And again, we're getting weather watcher reports of amounts in parts of northern Rhode Island that range anywhere from 6 to even 10 inches of snow. I know Burrillville has come in at last check with 9 inches of wet, heavy snow, but has now changed over to some sleet. 7-day futurecast showing better weather by Friday, though windy. Some chance for some snow on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on it. 33, and then dry but colder on Sunday with some sunshine and a temperature at 25. And keep in mind, even though it's just rain tonight, it's coming down hard at times. A lot of the storm drains are clogged up, so we're getting numerous reports this evening and this afternoon of some localized street flooding.